Hello, namaste. Here's a video teaching you a simple technique on how to create these beautiful flower Gopidots using these Gopidots that my daughter and I created. We call it Jiva dots, and it comes with all these colors: white, pink and red, orange and yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, light purple, dark purple, and this glitter. Woohoo. It also comes with these two brushes, a bigger brush, and a small brush, and a spray bottle. So what you're going to do is wet your brush, kind of dry it out a little bit in a napkin like so. So these are the two colors we're going to be using, white and red, because you want to get that pink flower, right? So we're going to take some water with our brush, get that there, and load our brush with the white. Good load. Nice and pasty, like really thick soup maybe. See that? Right? Then you're gonna wipe off the tip a little bit. Oh, here. Just like that. Just a little bit. Spray the red with a little spritz. And load the tip. Like this. Like this. So what you do is hold the brush at a 90-degree angle and just press, keeping the point in the same spot. You're not going to move the point. You're going to move around. Try to get 5 petals or more. And press. See that? I'm going to do that one more time. And press. 90-degree and press. 90-degree and press. 90-degree and press. 90-degree and press. To get leaves, we're going to load the same way, but we're going to use this lighter. Okay, we're going to spray. We're going to load the lighter green first. Water. And then load the tip with green, the darker green. And same technique, 90-degree and press, 90-degree and press, 90-degree and press. See how beautiful these leaves are. It's so pretty. So for the middle of the flowers, you can either use yellow. You're going with one dot or just a few like that. Or you could go in with white. One dot, or you can do a few. I like to do a few. It looks really pretty that way. And if you want, in your design, you could just add dots in between. Some bigger dots and some smaller dots and some white. Look at that. That is so pretty. So something I want to show you. The different pressures that you give the brush, you're going to get different flowers. For example, if I lay the brush down like this, I get longer flowers and longer petals looking like this. And you may need that for something. Or if I do that same 90-degree and I press in more, I get that same kind of long petal, right? But if I go in and I just press in a little bit, I get smaller petals, right? Just an FYI. I hope that this video was helpful. If you want to purchase these Gopidots, I will leave my social media contact below and feel free to message me.